So up to now, I think through the correction, rule 1, rule 2, and rule 3, all rules can be applied. All right. So if you know the facts are correct, and then next time, all you need to do, you just follow. All right. So if you just need to follow, then we can check all the calculation. So we need to follow the calculation for CV. For here, it's called Lexis ratio. And sample mean and the median. So if you have all the calculation, then you can do it. And let me summarize again how to implement this one, how to implement this one. All right, how to implement all the two. So we have a rule 1, 2, and 3. So based on all of this, then we can have the category. Oh, the category here. But maybe you should notice, oh, okay, for CV actually we focus on continuous distribution. Lexis ratio associated with the discrete distribution. All right, so continuous using CV, discrete using Lexis ratio. And for rule 1, actually applicable for both distributions, both type of distributions. Okay, here, this is the so-called table. It should be table 6.5. We have these. And here we have the field to apply or not. Okay, minimum, maximum, continuous or discrete. And mean, median, variance, CV. And the Lexis ratio here. Previously, we mentioned skewness. Where we have a skewness, actually skewness related to this, it's the expected value for the third central moment over sigma raised power to 3. So this is the formal definition for skewness. But using fact, we can have for this one, something like this direction, it's positive skewness. And this direction, it's negative skewness. Symmetric 1 is 0. All right. So how to implement here? We have the way to implement. Specifically here, we have the way to implement using sample variance. Because of a sample variance, so we have a different size. Why? Right? Because of this. And so for all these. And here, maximum, minimum, rough estimate range, and mean central tendency, and the median central tendency, and variance is variability, and CV and the Lexis ratio variability. And finally, skewness actually try to have the symmetry or not, but symmetry we have two sides. This side seems to be a figure. This side positive or negative, positive, and this side negative. Yeah, that's it. So this is the summary statistics.